If you want to rearrange the order or to sort the order of your PDF file, here's what you're going to do. First is go to your Safari or your favorite web browser and then search for pdfcandy.com. Once you're on the site, just scroll down and then among the tools that they have, tap on Rearrange Pages. Click on it. Now once you're here, click on Add File and then click on the file that you want to rearrange. Now let's just wait for the file to load. Once it has loaded, rearrange the pages by dragging it to where you want it to be. For example, I want to move this page to the first page. And then as you can see, it went here. Now, if I want to move the page 3 to page 4, just drag it and then move it here. So you can see they switched positions. And once you're done and satisfied with how they look like, just click on Rearrange Pages and your file will be processed. Now wait for your file to be processed. And once done, you can just click on Download File. And then your file will automatically be downloaded.